Hi Canvas friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Canvas Studio to record your lectures. So when you are in Canvas Studio, remember you want to be in Canvas Studio, not the course studio. You can click here on webcam, do it record, and webcam capture. It'll then let you choose your webcam. There I am. If you're like, I have a better webcam. And now there I am. And then you can start recording. It'll count you down just like in Screencast-O-Matic. And now you're recording your lecture. And when you're all finished with your lecture, you can hit finish. Go ahead and give it a name. That's the best thumbnail ever. How to record a webcam in Canvas Studio. Hit save. And now that's going to pop up over here and it's going to upload. When you are all done with that video, thank you for that thumbnail. You can go ahead and click captions. You can say that I spoke English and request those captions. Those will come emailed to you and then you can edit those captions. You then have the opportunity to go ahead and edit these details right here. You can add some comments if you'd like, insights of who's been watching your videos. You can choose to download your video. You can also share your video. So you can share your video by just creating a public link. You can take this video and you can embed it inside of your Canvas course. You can embed it inside of a website. You can buy your own domain and use subdomains. You can also take right here and get the embed code and again, embed it inside of your website or inside of a Canvas course. And just while we're here talking about Canvas courses, let's go over here and I'll go to my dashboard. We'll show how you can put a video that you've made in Canvas Studio inside of your page. So once this loads, I'm going to go to this course here I have with my kids. All right. Click on Pages. And you can embed a Canvas Studio video inside of any rich content editor. So let's go ahead and click View All Pages. Go ahead and make a new page. And let's say today's video lecture. And so again, you could grab it from right here, that link. You could embed in the embed code. You have a little cloud right here where you can put your embed code, or you can click the little plug. Inside of the plug, you have Canvas Studio. And there's your video. And you can choose to allow comments or not allow comments, allow students to download it or not download it. I don't want them to comment on my awesome video and choose embed. And just like that, you've embedded your Canvas Studio lecture inside of your page. Thanks for watching.